Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
Good, sir.
Evening, sir.
Okay. So last time I discussed with you some problems on this minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. And let through a problem, let me revise that concept and then I will move further. I have this integration 1 to infinity under root of x minus 1 and x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay. Suppose I have this integration, and what type of integration we have learned? Minus infinity to plus
Plus
infinity.
infinity.
Okay. Uh, if I uh, if I make a substitution, uh, so such that suppose I take x minus 1, uh, this one is equal to y. Suppose I take this. What will be the limit now? When x is equal to 1, what will be
Zero to
y?
zero to infinity.
So if I let me take it y square, okay, so that this will become y, correct?
Yes.
So when x is 1, y is 0, and when x is infinity, y is infinity, correct? So this will become 0 to infinity y, tell me, over x,
Y square plus 1.
no, y square plus 2, y square
Oh.
plus 2 whole square, okay? And what about dx? 2y dy. 2y dy. Is this okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this will become z minus infinity to plus infinity y square over y square plus 2 whole square and dy. Please see this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now this is your normal form. So sometimes the question may be given like this. So you have to stop for a while and see that, because you know this course is about your complex analysis. So you have to anticipate that this question must be from that, and how can I fit it in that role. So now this integral I hope you can do
Yes, sir.
using the contour integration. You can do that. What will be the fz? Fz will be z square over
Z
z
square plus
square plus 2 whole square. And if you see poles will be z plus under root 2 iota z minus under root 2 iota is equal to 0. So z is equal to root 2 iota is the pole. Correct? So what will be the answer? It will be 2 pi I into residue at this. So the pole is of second order.
Yes, sir.
So it will become limit z tending towards under root 2 iota, and this square will be gone. Z square over z plus under root 2 iota square. Okay. So this limit you have to put. and one time derivative also, no? Derivative, correct? D by
Yes,
dz will also be there, no?
sir.
Ah,
Sir, there are two poles, a simple pole. So y
no,
square
not simple pole.
square.
Square, you have a square here, no?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So for poles, you will see there are squares. So not a simple pole. Pole of order 2. So see, this is a previous year just question. So that is the best thing I must tell you. Whatever questions we are discussing and the kind of abilities in that questions that come on the way, that you have to develop. And that is what is known as concept. So in this question, you see, one ability was to see that here limit is 1. Somehow I have to make it 0. So that's why I put x minus 1, and y square I put because of this root, correct? And then quickly we have to calculate the residue. So because it is, pole of order 2. So we have to calculate residue for this.
So we can use the psi x upon phi dash x wala formula.
No, that will not work.
So it's
See,
only for simple poles, huh, sir?
no. See for yourself why it will not work. So that is also, you have to clear that why it will not work. That is also part of learning. See quickly in your copy, just try that.
0 हो रहा है sir.
पता लग गया? तो वो मन में ही देख लेना है कि जब यहाँ स्क्वायर है और तुम डेरिवेटिव लोगे तो वो बचा रह जाएगा.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, so let us do it quickly. Denominator square, denominator, derivative of numerator minus numerator, derivative of denominator. Please see, correct? Yes? Denominator square, denominator, derivative of numerator minus numerator, derivative of denominator. Is that okay? Now put z is equal to under root 2i. So you will have 2 root 2 I square into 2 root 2i minus root 2i square into 2 root 2i minus 2 root 2i to the power 4. Is this okay? So now 2 root 2i square and 2 root 2i means power 3 is there. And here so let us do this. What about this part?
minus pi by 2 root 2.
What about this part? 2 root 2i square and 2 root 2i. So 2 root 2 cube is there. So 1 upon 2 root 2i minus. What about this part? Root 2i square and root 2i. So root 2i cube is gone. And 4 is left over. Root 2i cube is gone. So you will get 2 into, sorry, 2 to the power 4 into root 2i and into 2 pi I into 2 pi I. अपने आप कैलकुलेट करो, हो सकता है तुम जल्दी कर लो. 2i
जैसे 2 की पावर 2 भी
2i
लिख सकते हैं ना, फिर 2 की पावर 4 की जगह ऊपर 4 हटा देंगे.
हाँ वो तो है ही.
हाँ.
सो 2 हट गया, 2i हट गया, एंड यहां से भी 2i हटा देता हूं. सो 2 to the power 3 into 2 लिख देता हूं. 2i is gone, and then this 4 is gone and 3 is gone.
I by 2 root 2, sir.
So here 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 into pi. So answer is pi by 2 root 2. This is answer.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt at any step? Yes. So some new addition of this kind may be done just to distract you, but you have to quickly understand that only the cases you have covered or we have done, we can only do questions from that. So we have to see in which case it will fit. Tell me. इसमें पूछ लो किसी को भी कोई डाउट हो तो, क्योंकि इसमें सब कुछ आ रहा है. पूरे 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 कॉन्टूर इंटीग्रेशन के लिए सब कुछ इसमें आ रहा है. चलो, सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स भाई, आप लोग तो एकदम.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see, everything is coming. Poles of order 2, substitution before, then poles of order 2, then calculation of residue. Everything is coming. Then algebra, little bit of algebra. अब अगर यहाँ पे problem हो रही तो ये class 9th की problem है या 7th 8th कह लो. Because this is algebra, this you know how to calculate. Okay, but if this problem is also there, do more questions so that you become comfortable in all these calculations. Correct? I am not denying that this
Yes, sir.
problem may not come. This problem may come, but then you have to be, you have to be prepare yourself to handle such problems. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let me erase this.